How to remove Instagram or Facebook account from Account Center. Open the Facebook application. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. Now you can access the settings. Tap on the option Account Center. Find the option for Manage Accounts and tap on it. Find the Instagram or Facebook account that you want to remove. Tap on the option Manage right next to it. Now tap on this option Move out of this account center. Now you'll have to confirm moving the account. Tap on the option Move Account. Tap on the option Continue. Tap on the option Yes, Finish Moving that you can see on the screen. Now the account has been removed. Like this, you'll be able to remove Instagram or Facebook account from Account Center. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.